May I have a big definition? One unlisted anti-security bail application. I may be allowed to take it.
Tomorrow?
My lord, is a very urgent matter. I am the a single parent of the 3 minor children. The police is demanding to arrest. So this urgent is very urgent.
Okay, if it comes, it is permitted.
Hello.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 6. This matter may be taken up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Have you taken consent?
6, Lordship.
Hmm?
6.
Item 6, have you taken consent?
Yes, Lordship. 3 weeks. Highly obliged.
My,
By application order. Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 5, madam.
Yes.
Madam, since the leading counsel for the respondent, Mr. T. Pangan, is on medical cases, madam.
This matter is ready as regard service as well as record accordingly. Admit this criminal revision petition for hearing. Full stop. As parties are duly represented, no formal notice need be issued. Full stop. List this matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
My lord, I have another matter, madam. Item number 23, madam.
Item number
23, madam.
23. Yes.
Madam. Matter may be, can it be taken on Monday, my lord, next Monday? Madam?
Huh? Service is not complete. Scan copies has not come. This was the file. Give the file, item 23. Wait for your turn. Wait.
Yes,
for your
yes,
turn.
ma'am.
Yes. Let him wait. Yes, next case.
My lord,
Yes.
another mention, my lord, item number 25.
Item number 25.
Yes.
Hearing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
When?
Can it take tomorrow, my lord?
Tomorrow
possible.
not possible. What there is? Next week.
Next week, madam.
Hearing tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there will be no hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Next week.
And 26 also, madam.
Huh?
26, madam.
26 also. Next week.
Okay.
my lord,
Yes, me.
My lord, item number 18, my lord,
Item number?
18. Lord, this matter await service to the.
Ah.
So matter may be, my lord, fixed on 29th of November or 6th of December.
Office note reflects that service report in respect of respondent number 2 is still awaited. Full stop. Await service report and list this matter with an updated office note on
On 29th of November or 6th of December.
6th of December 2020. 2025.
All right.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 16 and 17 on behalf of Senior Government Advocate Estapin, Your Lordship. Lordship, may kindly take up this matter tomorrow, Your Lordship. He has some personal difficulty today.
Hearing may not be possible. This is order.
It's an order.
Okay.
call.
Why this matter is listed?
That's it. I found the
To-
applicant.
Ah,
Here, what documents and original documents, records have been called from the Department of the Security.
ah.
So we are waiting for that one.
Already called for.
Already
Call for it.
By-
Tomorrow, Your Lordship. Yes,
Three
but
occasions. Documents have been called
What
for.
kind of documents? This is a regular fast
Regular
step.
first
Regular.
step. One
Then-
step first step. Here, we have filed a money suit and money suit was decreed in my favor.
Ah,
Thereafter, the department authority, they challenged the decree.
ah,
And during pendency of that decree,
ah.
some amount has been paid to me.
Okay.
Therefore, I have filed an IA application seeking those part payment documents. And thereafter, again.
How it is related to this first appeal? Suppose we allow this appeal or dismiss this appeal, then it is to be in, what is the relevance of that two document for determination of the first appeal? That is what I was a little bit, I was thinking, what is the relevance?
Relevance in your state. Now they are challenging the decree,
Ah,
but during pendency of this appeal,
no, suppose they paid something, will it debar, is it your ground that since they have paid a part, so therefore appeal cannot be, first appeal is to liable to be dismissed? Can there, is it a ground? Can that be a ground?
Definitely, Lordship, I would take that ground because they have
If you
complied,
take-
partly
if-
complied.
We'll have to go to the merit, it's a first appeal.
They-
Whether decree was rightly passed, whether evidences, this is the last court who can determine and enter into facts as well as the law.
Yes, Lordship.
Isn't it?
But yes, Lordship.
Part payment, you are using as if you are taking some evidence. This is your statement. We'll consider it later stage. Now what is to be done? Tomorrow for
tomorrow.
hearing.
Yeah,
Hearing not possible tomorrow. We have fixed an election matter tomorrow.
okay, Lordship.
And another criminal appeal for final determination. If we take too long hearing matters, it will not be possible. Unnecessary, we list it, you will come prepared. Next week, let us take it up next week.
In that case, reminder may be sent by the government for calling of the.
No, we are not passing any order. According to me, this IA is not maintainable. Not necessary and maintainable. Let us not pass that orders.
That subsequent documents, Lordship, I brought in.
Subscription evidence, you will have to bring someone in the box.
After a week,
Documents
After-
only.
What do you mean by document? Document is a documentary evidence.
Yes.
To ascertain your statement. And it, according to me, this is not at all relevant whether they have received, you have received or not received. We'll hear into the merit of the judgment. That's all. Yes, after a week.
obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 27.
Item number?
27. I'm for the respondent. Kindly adjourn this matter. And my lord, please list for 3 weeks.
Yes. You have taken consent?
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Teka is here? Yes. Yes, okay.
yes, consent has
Mr.
taken from.
Teka is present. Learned counsel for the respondent prays for an adjournment. Prayer not being opposed. Stands allowed. Please this matter
For 3 weeks,
after.
after 3 weeks.
Yes, scan copy of what?
My lord, I have filed an additional affidavit in respect of session case number and GR number.
Okay. When scan copy, when? We'll fix the matter when?
My lord,
It is from which place?
from here only, UP, session court UP only.
Next, the next, this building.
Yes, the next building, the next building,
Okay.
nearby this.
Okay, next week,
On 4th
4th of October,
November.
November.
It will be too early.
It will be too early,
Too
around,
early.
around 6.
Yes, your lord. 6 or 7.
Because they will have to prepare it,
Yes.
call it, because registry will have to call it, na?
Yes, your lord. Then
6th or 7th?
6.
6th of,
6.
scan copies. Bail, huh? These are the dates.
Obliged. Obliged.
May I please your lordship?
Yes,
Your lordship, item number 2 and 3 arising out of the same FIR, your lordship.
now tell me, what is the GR case number and the sessions case number?
Session case number is not there, your lordship, but the police
Then
station
how
case,
from where will you call the scan copies?
because charge sheet is there, your lordship.
No,
And
charge sheet is there, charge sheet is submitted before the committal court, is not it? Now,
lordship,
whether record is in the committal court or sessions court, we do not know. From
There
where
is
we
no-
will call the scan copies?
your lordship, we have applied for the bail before the honorable, before the session of West Cumberland District Court, your lordship.
Then what is the number?
That
Do you want to say, file an affidavit, the GR number, or you have an instruction?
One GR POXO number 2724 is there, your
Where?
lordship.
Where, tell us, show us.
23, page number 23, your lordship.
Place,
23, your lordship.
you don't have anything in the prayer, it is difficult. GR case number POXO 27, huh? GR case number POXO 27, 2024, in connection with, from the learned session judge, West Kamen, East Kamen, Tawang and Pake Keseng, Arunachal Pradesh. Kindly see page 23, green mark. Okay,
The one issue is there, Your Lordship.
uh,
The victim name has been disclosed here, Your Lordship.
where?
In response number 2, Your Lordship. Offense under 72 of the BNS, Your Lordship.
No, you cannot.
Yes, name is there, Your Lordship may find.
No, parents is to be.
Yes, Your Lordship, the age
Yes, madam, what is this? How can you disclose the name of the victim who is a minor?
Lordship, my
Withdraw this.
apology.
Withdraw this. The learned counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw and file the petition afresh. Presence allowed.
same 2 and 3, same, Your Lordship.
Same, we cannot. You will have, the victim, parents will have to be the party.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I will file a fresh one, Lordship.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
All both disposal. Husband and wife,
Yes, Lordship.
what is the issue? Dispute, what is the dispute? What is the affair?
FIR is at page
You must be very quick in this.
28, Lordship.
Huh?
28, Lordship. Page number 28.
What is the affair dated 11/9/2020?
On Lordship, I have filed an affidavit.
What is that? What is that affidavit? You had to have called it in the morning. We could have disposed it of. Call for the affidavit. What happened to that affidavit, affair?
If Lordship, the FIR was not registered at Women's.
Have you taken a given a statement in the affidavit that no FIR was
Yes,
registered?
Lordship, I
on
filed
the-
an affidavit.
Show me the affidavit. Which page, which paragraph?
Annexure A, Lordship.
No, where is your statement?
Page number 71.
Okay. All this. Dispose of it. Give a slip, all this, make a mention, give a mention memo and you require something. Give a mention memo, calling this affidavit. Are you getting
Yes, Lordship.
anything? Please tell him. Item number? Dispose of.
My
Yes.
lord, this is quashing application of the FIR
Hmm.
dated 12/5/2022.
Compromise,
Compromise.
sorry.
My lord, in this case,
Yes.
May I please, my
Yes.
lord, I'm on behalf of respondent number 228,
Huh.
victim and the complaint.
Huh.
I filed an affidavit.
What is your stand?
The victim doesn't want to proceed with the.
We'll send you to jail. I'll dictate this order right now. We'll send you to jail. This is a mob. Somebody is obstructed, beaten up, and you will say compromise. No,
During election.
maybe election. Will you allow this unruly behavior? Maybe for election, you will stop the voters and beat them, and thereafter you will say that we will compromise.
my lord, this,
If you want to proceed a minute further, I am dictating this order. I'll not allow this kind of unruly things to be compromised. Sorry. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, matters stands adjourned and be listed after.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Same date. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Can it be on 3 weeks?
Huh?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this
19th.
matter after 3 weeks. Maybe accident. See, now the law is changing. This is not. Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
Chiefs, NDPS case in between.
Public prosecutor. I am 59 days today onwards. Maybe. Not a small quantity. In between quantity. Huh? In between quantity. Heroin, yes, anything? Yes, that is there.
Your Lordship, may pass over this matter for the time being, Your Lordship. If a brief is not with us, it's with our colleague, one of our colleague. Just for the
Yes,
time
that
being.
is received.
That is, we have
Okay.
to find out. Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Dekar. Where is the FIR?
My lord, there is an interim, my lord.
Already on interim?
Yes.
Where is the FIR?
Affair is at page 20.
20?
Yes.
This PP is not here. You want to,
CD was called for, my lord.
you want to wait for CD is there? If you want to wait for some time, we can proceed to the other matters.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Wait for some time.
Yes, okay.
Bail matters after some time, call for the orders.
Yes.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, we have not taken steps on respondent, my lord. I
Then,
may be allowed to some,
learned counsel for the
petitioner, my lord.
petitioner has not filed, has not taken steps in terms of this court's earlier order dated 26/7/2024. Yes. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that he will take steps within a period of,
Within 2 weeks, my lord. 2 days, my lord.
within a period of 2 days from today. Prayer is allowed. If no such steps is taken, this matter will be treated as dismissed for one of steps without any further reference to this court.
Obliged.
Yes,
Here also, my lord, we are supposed to take steps on respondent number 2, my lord.
okay.
How-
Learned counsel for the petitioner press for and is granted 10 days time to take steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number 2 as per extant norms.
Obliged.
List after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
None appears for the petitioner on call. However, in the interest of justice, matter stands adjourned and be listed after 3 weeks.
Madam, here, as per the last order, instruction was short from the petitioner, as the matter has already been settled between the parties. That is the order dated.
Yes, yes.
Yes. And even they approach this customary court, both they approach, and based on the record, the judgment has also been passed, and same record is also there in affidavit.
Where is the affidavit?
Uh,
Yes, what is your instruction?
You know, we may be withdrawn, Your Honor.
You want to withdraw?
Your Honor.
You don't have any instruction?
No.
Okay. The learned counsel for the
Respondent number 1,
respondent number 1 and
respondent number 2.
respondent number 2 submits that the matter has already been amicably settled between the petitioner and the respondents. To that effect, an affidavit has been filed by respondent number two. Respondent number.
Respondent number one,
Respondent number one. What is
yes.
that affidavit?
It's 149,
Yes, 140.
9.
Oh.
No, it should be in separate.
I have seen that,
Yes.
149.
Yes,
Is that it?
yes. Page from
Affidavit
140.
filed by respondent number one. Affidavit dated, filed by and dated. Yes.
Yes. Lordship,
There
for
is separate file for affidavit.
5th August.
5th August.
At the copy.
5th of August.
Yes.
Mutual settlement has also submitted, what have you written? To the effect, an affidavit has been filed. Along with the affidavit, a mutual settlement deed is also annexed as Annexer C. Full stop. Perusal of the aforesaid mutual settlement deed reflects that the settlement was entered into between Nabam Dodum,
Yes.
petitioner number,
That's petition number, respondent
number
2.
2, and Sri Tana Susil Tara,
Yes, Lordship.
respondent number,
Petitioner.
petitioner,
Yes.
and Sri Nabam Epo,
Yes,
the
Lordship.
head Gaubura, that is respondent number.
No, no, Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of that customary institution only,
Okay,
just to peruse the
okay.
record.
Okay, Nabam Epo, who is the head Gaubura?
Who is a family member of this petitioner?
Anyway, we are not, we will
Yes, yes.
not give any
And-
approval to all this.
Lordship,
Full stop. Though, such affidavit has been filed in the month of August 2024, and orders were passed by this court directing direction was not last month. Where was that first order giving?
29/2024. Order dated 29/2024.
I think before that also.
clear direction was given on 20th09/2024.
What I have written? Order or first order, okay, no. This court passed an order on 5/8/2024. Asking the learned counsel for the petitioner to obtain proper instruction in this regard, as it was submitted by the learned counsel that the said council was having did not receive any instruction to that effect. Subsequently, by order dated 29/9/2024, while adjourning the matter, this court made it clear that if the petitioner remains unrepresented on the next date fixed, the court would presume that in view of the consent judgment dated 29/2024 passed by the customary court. Is that
29/02/2024. Yes, yes, Lord.
2024 passed by the customary court, the petitioner is not interested with the matter. Full stop. When the matter was again listed on 23/10/2024, this court granted a last chance to the learned counsel for the petitioner to complete their instruction, whether they would like to object the affidavit filed or whether there was any settlement as projected by the learned counsel for the respondent. Today, when the matter was called, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they want to withdraw from the brief as they could not obtain any instruction. Full stop. Be that as it may, as the petitioner has withdrawn, the present petition. stands-
Lordship, there
Says
is
the learned counsel for the petitioner has withdrawn. The present petition stands dismissed for.
one more suggestion for the record, that page number 149, the hierarchy of court may be recorded. Custom.
We are not recording anything. You have settled it. There is an order. We are dismissing this matter for non-prosecution. Accordingly, the present writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Interim order, if any, stands vacated. That's all. You have the decree, you enjoy it. At least if there is something wrong, they can come and say that please restore it. It was not my signature. See, there are every
yeah.
possibilities. So you have your decree already. You enjoy it. So we have vacated interim order, if any, dismiss it for default. That's all.
Lordship, there was confusion. That's why there was
Maybe.
yes.
Ultimately, a compromise, there is a decision already, is not it?
Yes.
So it is in your favor. That's all right.
Uh,
We have not said anything about that.
They just made us party. We are
No,
not,
understand-
yes.
understand.
Lordship, actually what I'm here to apprise this court that
No,
there is a hierarchy in customary court.
no, that remains. That remains. We are not entering into the merits. Basic fundamental question was whether the all Arunachal Pradesh or something, the association of Kebar, Gaoburas, cell is conferred with the jurisdiction to deal with the matter.
Yes.
This is the whole issue.
Yes.
Since you have settled, we are not approving it or disapproving it. Because once we pass an order, we'll have to hear it. Then it will have an far-reaching consequences on all the cases. Why should we do that
Okay.
without hearing the petitioner? So we
Okay.
are dismissing it. In an appropriate case, we'll decide it. Isn't it? Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
My lord, I beg your pardon, my lord. I'm the petitioner in item number 14.
Item
When
number?
the item was called, I was on legs before court 1, my lord.
Okay. Now what order we have passed? We have dismissed it. Huh? Least after 3 weeks. You take steps in the
My
meantime.
lord,
Okay.
All right.
Yes, what is this? Hmm.
My lord, I am for the respondent.
Huh?
I am for the respondent.
Lordship, this for the stay of the impugn judgment passed.
Oh, that matter.
yes, sir.
Yes, what is your instruction? How much will you deposit? According to you, how much you should pay?
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs.
Yes.
And what is the decree?
Decree is,
20 lakhs.
yes.
So you deposit 12 lakhs for stay. We are not saying anything.
Yes.
You deposit 12 lakh, then you will file application, we'll see. You cannot have both. There will be stay also. It was your suit.
Yes.
You said that interest should be such and such, not such and such. Okay, court says no, the interest should be this or this is the calculation. You are not happy with that.
Yes.
It was your suit, it was decreed in your favor, but you are not happy.
Yes.
So according to you, the judgment would have been 12 lakhs, not 20 lakhs. So that deposit that.
Lordship, within 1 month.
Within 1 month, okay, no problem on that.
Yes.
Third. Appeal is already admitted,
Yes.
huh?
Not admitted, Your Honor.
Not admitted, please
Yes.
write. No, appeal is admitted, 18/7/2024. Okay. The connected appeal being RFA number 06 within bracket AP 2023 has already been admitted by this court under its order dated 18/7/2024. Full stop. The present application is filed for stay of the judgment and decree which is under challenge in RFA 06 within bracket AP 2023. The suit was filed, title suit number 36 of 2017 was filed by the plaintiff appellant and suit was decreed to the extent that the petitioner is liable to pay an amount of rupees 24,0750 to the defendant respondent and not the higher amount as claimed by the respondent defendant. Full stop. The basic grievance of the petitioner is that that the amount should have been 12 lakhs instead of 20 lakh 40,750. Full stop. That being the position, considering the matter in entirety, this court is of the view that end of justice would be met if the impugned judgment and decree dated so and so. What is the dated judgment and decree dated 16/5/2023 passed by the learned civil judge senior division UPIA be suspended subject to deposit of rupees 12 lakhs by the petitioner before the registry within a period of 4 weeks from today. Full stop. Ordered accordingly. IS stands disposal. This is the balance.
Yeah, madam, in item number 21 by order dated 10/9/2024.
Heard Mr.
RL
R.L.
Tungan.
Tungan. Learned counsel for the applicant. The present application is filed.
Mayor, I was allowed to take steps to testimony. I have handed over the notice to my client long time ago, but he is unable to raise the respondent. Therefore, I will take 2 weeks time may be given.
Okay, just delete it. Learned counsel for the petitioner prays for further 2 weeks time to take appropriate steps. Prayer is allowed, list accordingly. Yes,
Service report is awaited.
office note dated 25/10/2024 reflects that scanned copy of trial court record has not yet been received from the CGM Pasighat registry to issue reminder. Full stop. Yes, OC has not submitted service report.
Yes, it's
The office note further reflects that service report in respect of respondent number 2 has not yet been received from the officer in charge Pasighat Police Station, East Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh. The learned counsel, additional public prosecutor G. Taro submits that he will obtain instruction from the officer in charge and therefore matter may be adjourned. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Full stop.
2 weeks.
2 weeks and on, give a date. Give a date. 7th of November 2024. On the said date, the officer in charge Pasighat, East Siang District shall submit a report of service in terms of this course earlier order. Earlier ordered that 4/10/2020.
Lordship,
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be granted 5 days time to take steps upon respondent.
in
He has
fact,
not
Lordship,
taken steps.
no, that's well, Lordship. We have given the service copy to our Bagra. Bagra is our advocate's clerk.
Okay.
So he did not take. So we are also surprised to know from the
So what
records
will you do?
today.
You will take fresh steps or
No, will twist is here.
can we say that they have taken steps, registry to verify and list accordingly?
And
Or we
Lordship,
say that fresh steps be taken?
press steps
Okay.
will be taken,
Uh,
Lordship, but
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though steps were taken, but due to communication in the office, same is not traceable. Accordingly, he prays that he may be allowed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 2. Prayer stands allowed. List after
Lordship, there's,
steps be taken within a period of
Lordship, there's a small prayer in the
Yes.
last, in the last paragraph, Lordship,
Yes.
prayer portion, interim prayer, Lordship, we have.
What is the subject matter?
Subject matter is, Lordship, I joined the institution just 2 months ahead of this complaint as the head of the institution. So,
Steps be taken within 2 weeks. Allegations are serious.
Yes, absolutely, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, no doubt on last occasion,
All selection also. You will give a date. Who is respondent number 2 here?
she complained, Your Lordship.
You have not
Diri-
taken step. What can we do?
Lordship,
So we'll fix a date. List this
Okay.
matter on.
next week I am available, Lordship.
But you will
In-
steps, notice is to be served now.
Yes.
Lordship.
That is the difficulty. Had you been served a notice, we could have considered. Matter is allegation is serious.
Yes.
Already interim is not passed. So straight away we cannot pass an interim order.
Will, Lordship, so far steps is concerned, will ensure today or tomorrow.
Okay,
both.
list this matter on
Your Lordship, maybe on 12th, Your Lordship.
12th of,
We'll hold the case diary as well.
12th of November 2020.
Lordship, that,
The interim prayer shall be considered on the next date.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Others are over. Only hearing matter. Yes, Bill, PP is here. Case there is here. What is the stage of,
Lordship, the FSL report, Lordship, is still awaited. They send the
we'll fix
substances.
it next week. I'm not inclined to, instead of rejecting it, if you praise Argo, I'm not happy with the quantity and all. And we will wait for some time.
Lordship.
Not long date, my lord, because
Give a date, yes, for your convenience.
next week,
Give a date next week.
otherwise
It is submitted by the learned additional public prosecutor that the FSL is not along with, is not available.
This CD we have received on 27th September, so updated. case
Okay.
report.
Is not available under case diary in as much as the CD was received on 27th of September in the office of the additional, in the office of the public prosecutor. Accordingly, she pressed for an adjournment to obtain the FSL report if already available.
Lordship.
Full stop. Prayer stands allowed. List this matter on.
next.
Give a date. What next? Give a date, quick. This Monday?
Next week.
Okay, what is the date next Monday? 4th of November 2024. The additional public prosecutor may return back the
Lordship,
case diary.
Could it be possible 5th of November so that if
5th of November 2024. The additional public prosecutor may return back the case diary and produce the same on the next date fixed along with the FSL report.
Lordship, yeah, Lordship, oblige.
My lord, CD was called for.
Lordship,
Interim is there. Do you want his custodial interrogation?
Lordship, moreover, CD has not received.
CD has not been
No,
received.
Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned additional public prosecutor that the case diary as called for is not received. Full stop. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed
Lordship,
on
5th November, Lordship, same.
5th of November 2024 for production of case diary. Interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date of.
My lord, 5th November, I'm free occupied. Can I-
Give a date,
Another
6th, 7th,
7 years.
7th.
Oblige.
Oblige.
Same Lordship, connected Lordship.
Same order. Okay, any interim here also?
Lordship, same.
Huh?
Out of same FIR, Lordship.
Same order. Out of the same affair.
Like,
Same. Huh? Yes.
My lord, I am not ready today because now only I have seen my name is reflected. So few cases in the High Court. That's why rarely we observe this. So I'm extremely sorry. I'm not with
It
the
is
records.
submitted by you are Mr.
T. Torum.
T. Tarun, Learned Counsel, that is not prepared today to argue this matter, and he could somehow miss his name in the cause list. Full stop. Learned accordingly press for an adjournment. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, though expresses urgency, however, has not objected to such prayer. Accordingly, list this matter 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Early August.
I am prepared, Your Lordship. No, this last matter.
You have prepared.
I am prepared. The other side also, Your Lordship, I have telephonically informed the other side. In fact, Your Lordship, they inform me that they are prepared. So I prepare this case, Your Lordship.
Anyway, you keep it for the other day. You be prepared for tomorrow's hearing.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Okay?
Okay, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow's hearing, I have also done some homework, what should be the hostile in the hostile. But so far relating to you, what you have argued is correct. Hostile is, but in your case.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship, absolutely. Your Lordship is absolutely correct. There is nothing more to argue in that case, Your Lordship,
Yes.
because if it was other co-witnesses, then situation would have been different.
would have
But it is the main witness.
I have seen, see,
Yes.
ultimately it's a POCSO,
Yes.
therefore I went deep into this
Yes, yes.
matter.
Nothing
Everything
is-
I have read. I
no-
could not
nothing is
find
there.
anything, so we'll dictate that order tomorrow.
Yes, Your
Therefore,
Lordship.
no. Okay, on the prayer of the Learned Counsel for the appellant, matter stands adjourned and be listed
After 2 weeks.
after.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Now I'll do some homework
Yes.
as regards that judgment.
Otherwise, Your Lordship, there is nothing in that case.
So I'll start dictating the
Yes.
judgment. If some queries there.
Yes, sure, Your Lordship.
So I have time, I'll complete it today. Tomorrow, if something is required, we'll.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Deliberate a
Yes.
little, then we'll pass.
Yes, otherwise, Your Lordship, from prosecution side, nothing left, Your Lordship.
Sir, I have seen that.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have just done my best, Your Lordship, that's it.
When unlisted comes, call me. But where is that man gone unlisted? Have I information from the registry how much time will it take? I knew it, that it will not come. To have it, whenever it comes, we will take up this because this is anticipatory bail. So some public prosecutor will.
Go ahead. Oh, yeah, last week. Monday, last week. No.
Seventh. Okay. 7 today is, so 7, it will be more than 10 days, na? Okay. So you appear before the IO within 10 days and get your statement recorded.